that girl's body fly.
Okay.
That's when I got out of my car.
And it's late, and my mom is probably scared. I'm scared.
On January 7th, 2024 in Florida, bystanders reported a reckless driver speeding and striking 2 women on the road.
Holy shit. Who was driving? Female. Screaming. Where'd she hit her? She ran over these 2 girls. Hey, did you?
I witnessed it.
Okay, all right.
I was sitting in my car waiting for my 2 friends. I'm the designated driver tonight.
Okay.
And I remember just seeing that car over there. That probably a drunk driver hit that girl in the pink shirt. Okay. I only saw her body fly. I did not see the second girl get hit.
I only saw one.
And then I just remember him just like driving straight.
Okay.
And then he crashed.
All right.
Oh my God. That could have been our friends.
I know. Let me figure out. Y'all just 3. Y'all stay right here.
Okay.
Do not go anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all, if y'all will, y'all walk over here for me. I just don't want you near that cell phone. Yeah. I appreciate it.
Just don't look at it.
Yeah. But if y'all won't go anywhere just yet.
Yeah.
Okay, we appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm just shaking.
Which one?
The one on the fence. That's the one I grabbed right when it happened. That's her like girlfriend or something like that. She's freaked out.
Okay.
Make sure she don't get away. Somebody needs to be on her.
Okay. Were they walking through the parking lot?
They were coming up through here, and I mean that car flying around and just blasted right through here. So she's with that one.
Okay.
So somebody needs to be like hard on her, make sure she don't leave because she was free.
This next scene shows when the cop was talking to the victim's mother while the victim is interrogated by the officers.
Are you the mother to one of these females out here? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so pretty much she was struck by a vehicle. Right now, fire rescue is tending to her. I don't know what the outcome is just yet. We got a lot of people here. We're trying to figure it all out. Did you? I see you got blood on you. You okay? Did you get hit?
No, I pushed one of my friends out of the way.
Okay. But do you need to see fire rescue?
I don't.
Okay. Are you all with them?
No.
Okay.
We witnessed it.
Y'all witnessed it as well?
Yeah.
They were just like, we were just walking from there.
I was like, literally coming from that way.
It was just like, okay.
I'm running around the friends that are going.
Yeah, but I was coming this way, and I saw the car jump the curb, hit them, jump that curb, and then land over there. Like, yes.
Okay, it's just fine.
Oh my God. I about to not come back for my car.
We were basically talking amongst ourselves, getting an Uber back to our hotel, and heard screeching of tires and looked over. This car looked like it had jumped one of these curbs over here, and they were right on this corner, and the car just came from down this street and veered left straight into that corner right there, and jumped it. They were crossing right here, and we saw 2 bodies go over the car. That's when we jumped the fence to get over to them.
Fast where they come up with
it was like probably 30, I would say 20 to 30.
At least 40. I was about to say, from the looks of it, looks like you got a 40, 50 miles.
I was going to say at least 40, maybe 50.
What did you see?
Yes. So we were walking out of the edge of that fence right there. To our car across over here. So to about that palm tree, over the farthest palm tree. And the car came swinging in from the outside of here to the parking lot. So it came
from the south going this way towards north?
I didn't see if it came from the south or from this way. All I know is that it came really fast. I would say at least 50 miles per hour. And we ran over, hit both of them. They flew and rolled over the windshield. And almost hit both me and Paige over there. And then they kept going at that speed about until around here. Yeah, and then I checked both of their pulses as soon as they were hit. They both had pulses, they both were breathing. But I saw Riley, the one over here, did have blood coming from her head. And that's when the police were on the scene, and I let them handle everything. But luckily they were here at the
Okay, perfect. All right, you're good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Vehicle was coming from this direction,
They were,
which is the
I mean,
south.
I'm not really sure. They were coming from that way. They were coming this way.
Okay.
And then just didn't turn at all.
Alright, and then they came through the parking lot, struck their two friends.
Yes.
Almost struck y'all.
Yes.
And
They
came
almost
to-
hit all of us.
Okay, and they came to a rest over there where it's at.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool. I appreciate it.
So we were just sitting in the car talking. We saw these girls at one of the bars. I was like, oh, that's the girl from the bar. She's carrying a plant. And then like a minute later, we're just talking about everything. And then we hear a loud noise. And I look behind me and I just see a body like fly across. Like it literally, the girl in the pink shirt right there. She just flew across the whole parking lot, basically. And then the car just crashed all the way over there. That's all we saw.
Okay, so you saw the car hit the body or just the body fly?
I heard the body in the car impact.
Okay.
And then I just saw her flying.
Okay.
I didn't see another body. I know there's another girl that got hit as well. She's all the way over there. But it was the one that the silver one, the one that crashed all the way over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you saw that silver car hit the body or hit the person?
I didn't see it. I heard the impact. I heard it and I looked behind me and I just saw her flying.
Yo, yo. Yo, yo. So, female driver right there. She's kind of unfazed about it. So look, I'm on.
Yeah, me too.
I heard it from your phone when I was on the phone with you.
Yeah, holy shit.
Okay, so I told Chris, because of the severity of it, if it turns THI, you and I will help him out.
So I just talked to
we
Chris.
can do mapping if need be.
He wants us to do the DUI.
Okay.
So this is what I think. So here is my thought process on all this, because she looks like she's gonna do 7.
Yeah.
We're gonna start needing to warrant blood draw.
She's fine to do fields.
She's doing fields. She's going to jail tonight. You're supposed to be muted.
No one over there needs fire rescue, right?
Nope.
No.
They might need overall checkout.
So we can do this. We can start fields on her.
After the cops started on planning strategies on what to do, they first made her do a bunch of sobriety tests in the parking lot, which she failed woefully, said by the cops.
Okay. Shannon. Okay, so here's the deal, okay? Do you know what the legal limit is in the state of Florida?
0.08.
Okay. So legal limit's 0.08, okay? Your first breath sample, you blew a 0.160. Your second breath sample, you blew a 0.162. Nearly double the legal limit. Well, double the legal limit, okay?
Okay.
Right. You have any questions for me? I'm sure you have. Well, so you're still
Can it
being
be used against me?
You're still being arrested for DUI regardless, okay?
Okay. I just turned 21 not even 3 weeks ago, so I know nothing about
Okay.
what's going on right now.
So I will tell you.
I'm just in pain, and these handcuffs hurt, and I gotta pee, and it's late, and my mom is probably scared.
Okay.
I'm scared.
So I will tell you. Okay. Well, if need be, you're a young girl. I'll make your mom feel better. I'll give her a call from my phone here in a couple minutes. Okay. I'm gonna explain something to you. The two pedestrians, okay, we're not sure of their condition right now, but it is serious. Okay? And you asked me their condition. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you and I'm not going to hide stuff from you. Okay? I'm sure you're concerned, so that's why I'm telling you their condition is serious. Okay, at this point I don't know their current condition other than serious. And very critical. Okay? Alright, I didn't want to keep that from you, that's why I wanted to tell you. Okay?
And you don't know about my friends?
So your friend I last saw in the back of a police car, I don't know if they took him home or what. Your other friend obviously left.
I know he did, but the other one acts a fool, so...
I don't know. I can find out for you though. Okay. Do you have anything on you? I'm gonna put your phone back here. I'm gonna take it with us to the jail. I will be. I know. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, because you were involved in a crash, I am gonna have to take you to Flagler Hospital for medical clearance. Okay. Even if you're not injured, I still have to take you there. Okay. That's fine, and I'll get you there. Can you hold it for about 15 minutes?
I'll try.
Okay. All right. This is a national landmark. I can't take you up and let a female take you up there and let you go up there. Okay.
Nope, I don't have a. I can't do that. I'm not allowed to have my vape. I take it.
No, definitely not right now. Okay. Yeah, you're good. Do we have a female coming?
Am I riding with you or someone else?
You're gonna ride with me.
I would. How respectful have I been with you the whole night?
How respectful have you been with me? Not listening to anything that I've been telling you to do.
Every time I asked to get up, to move, I made sure it was okay with you.
I have worked with you and worked with you and tried to comfort and tried to console you guys as best as I can, and then you don't listen.
And then, sir,
that is why you're in the position that you are. Because you cannot shut your mouth and just sit in the moment. There is a big investigation going on. We're trying to figure this out, and you're running your mouth. Shut up.
Hey,
stop talking.
I'm in cuffs. What else?
Just trying to get a name and all. Just stop talking.
What else do you have to say while I'm in cuffs?
You want to go to jail?
Yeah. What else do you have to say while I'm in cuffs? That was the question.
You're in cuffs because of what you did.
Where's your body cam? Oh.
Get up. Come on, get up.
Hey. Sir. Can I stand up?
You had your opportunity. You didn't listen.
Hey, I hope that body comes on.
It is. It's right now. Say hi. Really? It's right there.
This is how you treat people.
The ones that don't listen.
Sir.
Do you have anything on you we need to know about?
No, stop twisting my arm.
Stop resisting now.
I'm not resisting. Stop twisting my arm.
Listen to what he's saying.
Shut up.
Listen to what he's saying.
You hold there. Kick his leg out. I got it.
I have nothing on me.
At the end, the suspect was sentenced to 4 years and 10 months in prison. It's crazy to say people like these still exist. Please don't drink and drive, and ensure to stay safe. Don't forget to share and hit that like button.